Why don't we use Nokia N76 anymore? Well, because it's outdated. I can't forget how happy I was when I got this phone. Not today, of course, maybe 7 years ago. But 7 years ago, احنا قديش اليوم بالشهر؟ يعني احنا 2000. Hello, good morning. Why don't we use Nokia N76 and similar series from this generation anymore? Well, the answer is obvious, because it is outdated. We don't have WhatsApp, we don't have easy access to the internet, we can't check our emails easily, we can't get on Facebook, we can't use all the social media, we can't watch videos on YouTube. But I bet the first time you put your hand on a Nokia 76 or a similar series, any Nokia of these series, it was one of the happiest moments. But now it's for texting and phone calls, right? Not even texting, because the text is stupid, like you need to push the same button 3 times so you get the letter. It's just outdated. The question here, if we do not accept outdated cell phones, how can we accept outdated strategies and technologies in our business? If you're not getting enough customers in your business, if you're not reaching to your ideal customers, if you're not finding your right audience, if you're not selling more, chances that you still use an outdated strategy and an outdated technology. You might be thinking, right, no, I use Facebook, I use the social media. Well, of course, yes, you do use the social media in your business. Who doesn't? But still, an outdated. It's not just the tool that is outdated, it is how to use this tool, what makes the strategy all about effective. Now, if you are faced with this challenge that you're not getting enough money in your business, that you're not getting enough customers, that you don't make enough sales, chances this is not your fault, because you've been following what everybody else is doing in the marketplace. Think about it. That's how business owners start their businesses. They see someone doing a certain type of business, they think or realize that there is an opportunity in this, and they try to model what they're doing, and by the time they try to improve it, make it better. They don't think completely out of the box. Rarely, that's the most case scenarios, that we copy others at our beginnings, including me. I mean, there's nothing bad about this. But the harm here is that we keep and continue copying others without changing the way that we do the business, without looking into what is new, what's happening in the business world, how marketing is being done right now, what technologies, what tools, what softwares that can change your business or get you better results. A wise man once said, if you want to be successful, you should spend a third of your time earning, third of your time learning, and third of your time serving. It seems like most people right now are trying to earn, let alone, of course, learning how to earn. But it is never too late. So if you want to learn a new way, totally different way, that you can use the internet and the technology to acquire customers, to find new marketplaces, to get more money from your business without hiring more team, without spending hours and hours and hours on ineffective cold calling and telesales, then this is for you. I'm inviting you to join a 4 days video workshop in which I will send you a video every day for 4 days. In this video, I will take you through a whole new concept of how to leverage the internet and the technology to grow your business, to find new customers, to connect with your customers, to get them into a personalized environment where you and them communicate your offers clearly, in which they understand what's in it for them, and you better demonstrate the value added that you can bring to them. And eventually, of course, getting 10 times more conversations going on between you and your prospects, and that, of course, can increase your sales up to 500% or even more. So if you feel it is time to change, then this is your chance. Click the link, register your information, and start this workshop. This is an absolutely free workshop, and if you're wondering why I'm giving it to you for free, well, the reason is simple. I'm giving it away for you for free in the hope that you will find it useful, and someday in the future, you will consider working and doing business with me. If not, then there is no problem. You have no commitment whatsoever. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to meet you on the other side. Have a nice day. This is a Nokia N76.